Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated drone releases in recent memory, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. There's a lot to unpack here, so get comfortable because we're going deep. Whether you're new to drones or a seasoned pilot, this could be the moment the game changes. Let's start with the weight. This drone comes in at just under 249 grams. That number might not mean much at first, but it matters a lot. In most countries, drones under 250 grams don't need to be registered. You can fly them with fewer rules and more freedom. No paperwork, no online courses, no jumping through hoops. Just charge up, unfold, and launch. Now that convenience has always come with a price. Lightweight drones usually sacrifice something important. Maybe they cut down on flight time, or maybe the camera isn't as good, or the sensors aren't strong enough to avoid obstacles. But DJI is trying to change. All that with the Mini 5 Pro, and from everything we've seen, they might just pull it off. Take the battery. This is one of the most impressive changes. We're talking about a 4,680 mAh battery. That's a huge leap compared to the last model. In real-world flying, it translates to a flight time of over 50 minutes. Let that sink in. That's nearly an hour of airtime. For a drone this size, that's almost unheard of. And the benefits are obvious. You can stay in the air longer, get more shots, explore wider areas. No need to constantly land and swap batteries. And when you do need to recharge, it supports 65-watt fast charging. That means you'll be back in the air in under an hour. For creators, adventurers, or anyone short on time, that's a big deal. So now we know it flies long and charges fast. But what about the camera? Because let's face it, this is what most people care about. Whether you're making YouTube videos, travel reels, or just taking epic vacation shots, the camera is everything. And DJI knows that the Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with a 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's a big upgrade. Bigger sensors capture more light. More light means better image quality. Your footage looks sharp, clear, and vibrant even in low light. Sun going down, clouds rolling in, doesn't matter. This camera will hold up, and it's not just about light. A better sensor also gives you better colors, better detail, and more flexibility when editing. You can shoot in 4000 with higher bit rates. That means less compression, fewer artifacts, and more data in every frame. When you open your footage in post, you'll have more room to adjust without losing quality. Photos will look just as good. Textures will stay sharp. Skies won't blow out. Shadows will keep their detail. Whether you're capturing stills or video, the camera on the Mini 5 Pro is built to impress. But a great camera needs stability. That's where the gimbal comes in. The Mini 5 Pro may offer true 360-degree rotation. That's a big leap. Traditional gimbals control, tilt, roll, and pan. But they have limits. They can't spin all the way around. This new gimbal might break that barrier. Why does that matter? Creative freedom. Full orbit shots, seamless pans, smooth circular movements without stopping or resetting. It's like giving a cinema rig to your palm-sized drone. You can fly around a subject and show every angle in one take. That kind of motion used to need big gear. Now it might fit in your jacket pocket. Filmmakers will love this. You can do reveals, looping shots, dynamic pullbacks all without mechanical limits. And if DJI nails the software that drives it, we're talking about a real breakthrough in drone videography. Let's move on to safety. Nobody wants to crash their new drone, and DJI gets that. The Mini 5 Pro is expected to include advanced obstacle avoidance. We're not just talking about simple ultrasonic sensors. We're talking about LiDAR, or infrared systems that detect objects up to 25 meters away That's double the range of older sensors. It means the drone can see more and react sooner. You're flying near trees. No problem. Tight, urban spaces. The drone can handle it. Even in low light, it will keep an eye out for danger. And it won't just slam on the brakes. It adjusts its path, smoothly. Naturally, it's guidance, not control. You're still the pilot. But now, you've got a smart co-pilot watching your code kaylet, watching your back. And what about range? DJI's OQSync transmission system is expected to push the video feed up to 20 kilometers. That's a huge range, and we're not talking about choppy low-res footage. It's a crisp, HD feed. What you see on your screen is sharp, real-time, and almost zero lag. This is critical for pros. You can fly farther, scout wider areas, and still see everything clearly. Add DJI's RC2 or RC3 controller, and you've got precision control in your hands. Add Goggles 3, and now you're not just flying. You're immersed. It's like FPV, but smarter. And one more thing, voice commands. This is a quiet but powerful feature. Say start recording, and it starts. Say return to home, and it listens. You don't need to fiddle with buttons. Your hands can stay on the controls. Your focus stays on the shot. Now let's talk about the flying experience. On takeoff, the Mini 5 Pro feels stable. That's the first thing people notice. No twitching, no wobble. It just locks in and holds position. Even in light wind, it stays put. Movements are smooth. Rolls and turns feel balanced. It doesn't fight you. It responds. You can go slow for cinematic shots or fast for action. The drone adapts. It feels like a tool, not a toy. For something this light, that's impressive. On the ground, the story continues. The DJI Fly app is clean and simple. If you're new, you won't feel lost. Everything is where it should be. For pros, deeper settings are just a tap away. One-tap modes let you orbit a subject, fly waypoints, or track a person or car. You don't need a second operator. You don't need extra gear. You just need the app and the drone. And you're ready to capture something amazing. Battery indicators are clear. GPS maps are accurate. No-fly zones are built in. You get voice prompts when something changes. The whole system feels polished. Finally, we have to talk about price. Rumors suggest the Mini 5 Pro will land between $850 and $1,000. That's not cheap. But what are you getting? Let's review Sub-2 50G weight-long battery life fast-charging 1-inch CMOS. Sensor 360-degree gimbal advanced obstacle avoidance. Long-range HD video voice control top-tier app experience it's a lot. And it could be the most complete ultralight drone ever made. For travelers, vloggers, creators, or pros who just want something easy to carry. This could be the perfect drone. It might even change how people think about flying. No more compromises. No more trade-offs. Just power. In your palm. And we're only halfway there.